In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add 1098T on TurboTax. If you received a Form 1098T from your school, this is how you start the process of entering it so TurboTax can check your eligibility for education credits like the American Opportunity Credit or the Lifetime Learning Credit. I'll walk you through exactly where to go in TurboTax, plus share a few helpful tips to make this smooth and accurate. From your open TurboTax return, head to the main navigation. Move your mouse to Deductions and Credits. Don't click yet, just hover. This opens the area of TurboTax where all your potential write-offs and credits live, including education. If you're working on a shared computer, make sure you have your 1098T safely with you and that you're in the correct tax year of your return, so the amounts you enter match the form you received for that year. Next, select Deductions and Credits Summary. This summary page gives you a clear, organized view of everything you can take advantage of, grouped by category. It's the quickest way to jump straight into the education section without digging through unrelated items. If you've already visited this area earlier in your return, you might see some items marked as started. That's okay. You're just heading back to the right spot to begin your 1098T entry. On the summary page, look for Expenses and Scholarships. Form 1098T. This is the specific education section that covers your tuition, required fees, and any scholarship or grant information that's reported on your 1098T. Click it to open that section. Inside, choose Start to Begin. This launches TurboTax's guided interview for the 1098T, where you'll be asked straightforward questions to help ensure your entry is complete and accurate. Have your 1098T handy so you can reference the school's information and the amounts reported. Make sure the year on the form matches the tax year you're filing. Double check that the amounts you see in box 1 on your form, payments received for qualified tuition and related expenses, are the figures you're using. If you had scholarships or grants, keep those details nearby as well, since they can affect your credit. Accuracy matters here because TurboTax will use your answers to determine whether a credit or deduction benefits you most. That's all there is to getting to the right place in TurboTax to add your 1098T. By hovering over Deductions and Credits, opening the Deductions and Credits summary, choosing Expenses and Scholarships, and clicking Start, you're set up to enter your education information confidently. Take your time with the prompts and keep your documents close so everything matches. Thanks for watching and good luck with your filing.